Hello everyone, make the plaits on the hairs on the top by taking small section of the hairs. Now we'll be taking the hairs from the sides, join them together by folding it and making a knot, tie them together using a rubber band. Now again repeat the process for few more times, tie it on the back. Now repeat the process for few more times. Now at the end we'll be joining the hairs, or you can leave it as it is. Also we'll be tying the hairs by dividing them into two parts. Make the plaits like this on the each section and you can fold them upward and fix them on the alternative sides on the sides using the hair clutch or the hairpins, and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now, we'll be dividing the hairs into two parts and make the ponytail. Divide it from the between as well on both the sides like this. Now, we have to rotate it from the between like this. Now, after rotating the hairs, we'll be folding it or just tie them together on the top and rotate it like this. Now, after rotating it, join the hairs again from the between, tie it like this and then rotate it. Now, after folding it, we'll be fixing the hairs together on the downside as shown. Fix it at the end like this, tie it using the rubber band and fix it inside the hairs and put the hairpin, and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail. Take small section of the hairs on the sides and make the plaits on it. Now, after making the plaits, we'll be taking the hairs on the other section, take it till the end. Now, tie it till the end in the similar manner as we are tying. Take it till the end. Now, take another section of the hairs on the other side as well in the same manner. Divide the hairs into two parts, make the plaits, and then we have to take the middle part, divide it from the between and fix it in the between like this after rotating it. So, you have to zigzag the hairs from the sides. Take small section from the between, rotate it, tie it till the end in the similar manner like this and put the hairpins over the hairs if you want, and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, make a ponytail using a rubber band like this. Fix the hairs in the half. Now fold the hairs and roll the hairs inside it to make a bun like this. Fix the hairs in the same rubber band and spread the hairs to make a messy bun like this, and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving on to another hairstyle, we'll be taking the hairs like this from the sides and tie it on the back and make the plaits by joining the hairs from the sides. So take the hairs like this and make the plaits. So here we are making the plaits but with little different technique on the top, and then as general we'll be making the plaits. Now fold it on the top and put the hair clutch to make a bun, and your hairstyle is almost ready. Pull out the hairs from the sides and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back, and then we'll be rotating it like this. Now, after rotating the hairs, again repeat the process for a few more times. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back, and then rotate it. Now, take all the hairs and make the plaits on the hairs till the end like this. Pull out the hairs from the sides little bit like this. Tie it at the end, fold it upward and make a bun, and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.